Why must you take so long? Dude, check that limo out. What's up, you guys? Check out Through the Dream Poet here. Coming to you all with day 56. No, day 57. Almost 2 full months here in the state of Florida. Today we are going to try something that is definitely new. But first, we must see if it's in Ace Hardware. Let's do it. We'll check out the size of this thing. What kind of thing would that go to anyway? Oh ho, and it looks like they have what I'm looking for. Time to get some rope now. Looks like this stuff is gonna work. I think you guys might be catching on to what I'm planning on doing today. Today, we are gonna do some magnet fishing. But before we do that, let's go to O'Reilly's. Alright, reason why I went there is because I have some brake fluid. I was talking to a friend of mine, and he was telling me, and he even showed this to me too, that I may not even need my brake fluid replaced. It's just a little low. So, $100 fix turned into $5. Let's go pour it in. You see, this was most likely the main reason why this was going off, because there's not much of this. Having done that now, we can actually go some places. If that's not the thing that was setting off my sensor, but we'll find out down the road. But let's do some magnet fishing. Alright, you guys, we are finally back at the boat, and let's try these magnets. Wasn't really having much luck trying to opening it up like that. Let's get this. Hey, I did it. Look. Let's try this magnet out. Now, I was really surprised about this type of magnet in particular. This magnet can hold up about close to 100 pounds. And the type of thread that I got, it can hold up to about 75 pounds. I think this is still good for what we're going to be doing today, but this is what I'm going to do. Finally, this is the rigging that I got. And just to show it off a little bit, this is what I'm working with. See? Whatever I pull up that's on the bottom, I'm gonna get it. Right, first time trying this, you guys. Let's see what we can find. I think we got something. No, just dirty water. Okay, let's see if we can get anything. No. Shoot. Still nothing. Well, I definitely pulled up something. It looks like it was just a mussel. Interesting. Well, darn it. I did not find anything on my first ever magnet fishing experience. Kinda sucks a little bit. But you know what? It was a really good experience, and it is opening up a plethora of things, of videos to make in the future. Actually, tomorrow I think I'm gonna do a little bit of magnet fishing down at Mandarin Park off their fishing dock. I've kind of made the decision never to do it on my boat again, mainly because I'm just worried that I might make a few dings. I noticed I made a couple of spots here and there that are very unnoticeable, but I can't play that risk anymore. So yeah, new rule, no magnet fishing on the boat. In other news, it looks like my truck situation was very, very simple. All I needed to do was fill it up with brake fluid. So everything now is okay. I can actually go and do some of these places that I want to do. We can now officially go back in St. Augustine, and I've been kind of holding this back, talking about it, you guys, but probably here in the near future we are going to go to Polk County, Florida, and we're going to go search for megalodon teeth. That's once I get another waterproof camera. I did have one a while back, but because of my intelligent self, I left my waterproof camera down at the Georgia Aquarium when I was swimming with whale sharks. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to link that video in the link below. A very amazing experience to go swim with whale sharks. So, today has been interesting. Even though we really didn't get anything, it was still fun. As I was saying earlier, that magnet that I bought can handle about 95 pounds. So, really, I should be good to pull up whatever I can. I'm kind of curious to see what dock, well, 4 docks down has in store. So, today has been a good day, you guys. A good, fun experience. Things were not as bad as I thought they could have been. And I got to try something new. Having said that, remember, you guys, if you subscribe and hit the bell icon on this video, that will automatically put you in for a drawing to win a $50 Walmart gift card, as well as the first ever Dream Poet t-shirt ever. But that's not just all, you guys. If you subscribe, hit the bell icon, that will also enter you in for a chance to win 2 additional t-shirts, as well as 2 printed framed photos of mine that most likely I will probably never print again. So you guys, remember, keep up with me at Dream Poet at Facebook, as well as my Instagram in the links below. Thank you all for the love and support. Love you guys very much. Let's see what tomorrow holds.